this Dell Inspiron laptop, and the DC jack goes inside when I just try to plug the charger in. As you can see, the DC jack is completely free. I may need to just replace the DC jack or just fix as it is. I'll just open and have a look at it how we can fix it. Okay, this is the physical damage. As you can see, the hinges are gone, and as well as the side holder of this DC jack which is attaching here, that one is gone too. This piece is came out, and as well as you can see here, this one is out as well. I'll just try to fix the DC jack and little bit of hinges because this came for the DC jack repair. I'll just try to hold the hinges here and fix the DC jack as well. Just stay with me. I will be back. I'm attaching this one with glue, and it is not enough. I need to put some extra support with this. This is the wood dust. I'm just using it. And as you can see, both the cables are out as well. I may need to resolder them again. It is a physical damage, and customer, the cable was there faulty. The customer, he tried to push hard to really make it work. That was the reason why th- the DC jack is broke, because it customer applied a force on it. It is good enough, but I'll just put little bit silicone glue behind this one as well. Okay, I have reattached all the pins, all the cables to the pins, as you can see. Now I'm gonna put back everything. It is going to attach here. It's gonna be difficult. I need to rub some little bit, scrap little bit to really fit in, and then plug the laptop back. Okay, I used the silicone glue at the back, and as well as I just removed this connector because the space is too tight. It is very difficult to really plug this one in. What I will do, I'll just hold on it, and then I will stick this one to the connector, because I just want to make sure first it is in place, and then I will put a screw on it and go for sticking it together. Okay, now make sure to open this laptop like this, because if you drop a glue on a screen, it's gonna damage the screen. Just open like this, or if you are comfortable, just remove this one from the LED, take it out, and then work on it. Okay, now I stick from here, from this side, and as well as from the bottom side. And now I'm gonna put a little bit of silicone glue here to really hold on, because this connector is gone, and the only option to protect it, just connect underneath here and from the back. I'm going to use silicone glue here that if customer push too hard, at least it would have a little bit support. Okay, I have removed this nut from here and attach it here that I can put the screw in inside here. Now you can see it is attached. I'm just going to close the laptop because there is one screw as well here that is intact. I'm sure both will gonna handle the strength. I'm going to pack back the laptop and check it if everything is good. Okay, now the laptop charger is working fine. As you can see, it's connecting properly. As well as you can see, it is charging too. Okay, thanks for watching the video.